Welcome everyone. Guys, I want to make roasted turkey salad. I have roasted turkey here. I don't know if I'm going to finish the two, but let's know who is eating. I have here lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes is here. I have raw eggs, lemon, onion, black pepper. I'll be using salt. I'll be using olive oil. I'll wash all the vegetables, then slice it, set it aside. I'll prepare the dressing. I'll wash it with vinegar. So I'll add vinegar here. Guys, I have to wash it properly. Now I'm eating everything raw. I want to prepare mayonnaise for this salad. Guys, I need only egg yolk for this mayonnaise. I'll add salt. Black pepper, garlic, olive oil, I'm gonna add lemon juice. I'll sift the lemon juice. I'll use my hand mixer to mix it together. Garlic I added is optional. If you like, add any spices you feel like you can tolerate. I'll add English mustard. I'll mix it together. This dressing contains lemon, English mustard, 2 egg yolk, salt, black pepper. Alright, the dressing is ready. I'll cut the vegetables. Now is the lettuce. I'll set it aside. Cut cucumber. I'll cut tomatoes. Use any vegetable of your choice. I'll use half red onion. I'll cut 1 leg of roasted turkey. I'm using 1 leg. It's lunch for 2. Guys, I'll cut it. Remove the back and the bone. Boil egg. Guys, this is the roasted turkey salad, and here is the mayonnaise I prepared. Then I'll add mayonnaise on top of it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye.